Well, good evening. Well, good evening, everybody. Welcome back to another vlog and another video. So, yesterday yesterday's vlog we put my collapsible microwaveable popcorn popper to the test yesterday. One of many Christmas presents one of many Christmas presents you remember seeing me getting for Christmas 2018 a couple weeks ago, almost a few weeks back. And you probably also recall that I had also gotten this as another one of many 2018 Christmas presents as well. So for tonight, I thought we would maybe put that to the test. Yep, my Betty Crocker microwavable brownie maker right here. I thought we'd put that to the test. Makes delicious brownies in the microwave in minutes. That's good. We're going to hold on to this. I think we'll keep the back of it, and then we can throw the front end away, but we'll keep the back of it because the back of it has all the instructions in the back. Before we can get into that, of course, you remember when I had gotten this microwavable brownie maker type thing, of course, I had also gotten this box of Pillsbury chocolate fudge brownie mix, as you can see. So, first thing we have to do is we first have to mix up our Pillsbury chocolate fudge brownie mix right here. I don't know if you can hear our dog in the background. You know, as usual, there's probably somebody here that's some strange person right now. So, but at any rate, I'm going to get a mixing bowl out, and we will get started by mixing up by preparing our Pillsbury chocolate fudge brownie mix I got right here. So, first we should get out our canola oil. Next we should, of course, water. That's easy, and also a couple eggs, 2 eggs. So I'll grab 2 eggs. And before we go any further, if you have not already hit that subscribe button, if you have not already hit that subscribe button to my YouTube channel, I would like you all to go right ahead and go right down and hit that subscribe button like right now. And but all right. At any rate, let's get started. So first, what we'll do is we'll open up the box of Pillsbury chocolate fudge brownie mix. There's also a recipe for peanut butter swirl brownies as well on the side of the box right here. All right, emptying the package of the Pillsbury chocolate fudge brownie mix into this yellow mixing bowl right here. And one other thing I should also bring up too, before I've frosted some of my brownies before. I've made my own buttercream frosting, or even just gotten regular ready-made buttercream frosting. So maybe today, after we go through the whole process, maybe what I'll do is I'll try spreading some of my pure maple cream maybe spreading some of my pure maple cream right here along top. Once we're done with everything, we've given it some time to cool off, to cool down and stuff. But first we gotta go through the rest of the process of preparing our mix right here. So next let's do 2/3 cup of oil. So again, I still got a good amount of my Wegmans canola oil left here, so use that. I'll let you have a look at how how the mix looks at how the mix all looks now that I put the canola oil in. That's what it looks like so far. And next we're gonna put the eggs in. Again, it calls for 2 eggs. All right. Take a look at it again. Now there are the eggs in there. Now the last thing to do is put the water in. Calls for quarter cup of water. All right, let's put the water in. This is what it all looks like now that the water and the other 2 wet ingredients are in there. So now that we've got all three of our ingredients in there, now that we've got all three ingredients in that we got to put in, let's mix this up with our whisk. You know, I was going to use this metal whisk, but how about I use another one of my most recent 2018 Christmas presents from a couple weeks ago, a few weeks back. This latest brand spanking new silicone whisk. Trying out a good bit of our most recent 2018 Christmas gifts we got for Christmas 2018, huh? Such as this silicone whisk right here. That's what I think we'll try using to mix up our brownie mix, our chocolate fudge brownie mix right here. All right, that looks pretty good right there. So take our silicone whisk, we'll tap it off, we'll tap off all the excess and stuff, and then we'll set that aside in the sink right here for now. All right, so now I think we're ready to try and do the first step of putting our microwavable brownie maker thing right here to the test. So first, it says, easy as Betty Crocker brownie maker is the fastest and easiest way to make brownies, easy to use and makes delicious brownies every time. Perfect brownies in 3 minutes. Perfect brownies in three and a half minutes versus 40 minutes in the oven. Versus 40 minutes in the oven. Reusable and BPA free and dishwasher safe. Reusable, 5 years durable. Okay, so we got some time. We got some time with this, I guess. Number one, add ingredients to fill lines per the ingredients to container. 2, pour ingredients into brownie baking pan. Stir until well blended. Microwave on high 3 minutes to 3.5 minutes. Let cool and enjoy. So well, basically, we could have done all of our brownie mix prep in this plastic thing right here, but we've already done it in the mixing bowl. So maybe we'll do a part 2. Maybe we'll do a part 2 of it and try it like that. But for now, let's dump this all in right here. I'm going to, hold on. Just a little bit running down the edge right there. I'm going to grab a spatula and scoop out the rest. I'll use this polka dot. I'll use this polka dot spatula I got right here. So incredible here. It's so incredible what you can actually do nowadays in your microwave that you usually got to do in your stove or oven. You know, and stuff you can do in a lot faster timetables, such as this right here, brownie making and stuff. So now that we've got our thing all filled and stuff, why don't we put it in the microwave right here? Let's open this up. First, let's check the directions one last time. I think we're good. So how about we set this for the full 3.5 minutes? All right, let's keep watching here. Well, just about down to 1.5 minutes left to go. So, all right, we're just about down to just 1 minute left to go before we can see how it's all working out so far. 30 seconds left. Starting to smell pretty good. It's starting to smell like the way it usually should smell when your brownies are, cooking and baking and stuff, 15 seconds left. Well, let's take a look. Well, that's looking pretty good. How about what we're how about what we do is let it cool a little bit, and then maybe we'll put like a fork in there and see what it feels like, after we let it cool for like a couple or a few minutes here. So, but at any rate, well, once again, tomorrow is when the big weather system that we've had in the forecast all week long, is going to be ready to hit and stuff for here in Rochester, New York and stuff. So once again, this weekend is just going to be a weekend for anybody here in Rochester, New York, to pretty much mainly just stay home and mainly just stay inside pretty much. With the rough winter weather that's all in the forecast for this weekend, especially end of the day, later in the day tomorrow, and into the night tomorrow night and stuff, and maybe even into the first part of Sunday. The only thing I'm a little concerned about is just this corner right over here that still looks a little bit loose. So maybe what we'll do is, what I'm thinking we'll do is just turn this the other way for just a second, just a few seconds. What I think we'll do is maybe do like an additional minute and a half. A lot of it was looking pretty firm. There was just that one corner that was still looking kind of loose. Still looking kind of loose and kind of looking slightly liquidy. So that's why we'll try another minute and a half. See what we can do to try to firm up that corner. Ten seconds left. All right. Let's see where we're at now. Well, looks a little bit more firm. Yeah, it feels more firm now. But man, when you touch that right now, when you first take it out, it pretty much feels really hot. It pretty much feels really hot. So you got to lick it off right away. But we'll let this cool for a little while, pretty much. And then we'll see if maybe we can spread a little bit of this pure maple cream all along top and see how it is. And maybe to add one other twist, maybe we'll put some of our pure maple sugar sprinkles right on top as well. That was also, like you recall, another thing that was one of many things we got for Christmas 2018 a couple weeks ago, almost a few weeks back, you know. Yep. It's best to probably give it at least a few minutes, maybe a little bit more, to cool down before we try to go ahead and, you know, at least before you try to go ahead and, you know, cut it into your little squares and or rectangles or whatever you choose. You know, before you cut it in any, before you cut it into several pieces and stuff. Yep, here's our brownie making aftermath, as you can see right here now. Still kind of got our collapsible popcorn, microwavable collapsible popcorn popper making aftermath from yesterday's vlog as well. Yep. So, well, it's firming up little by little. Yeah, that feels a bit better. Just one of the corners was still seeming a little bit loose and liquidy, so that's why I put it in for over another minute and a half. But for the most part, it seems like it's working. Seems for the most part like it's working so far. Seems for the most part. Seems for the most part like it's working so far. And one other thing I thought I'd kind of just say. So basically, ever since I started my my own personal YouTube channel and stuff, well over 2 months ago and stuff, when I first said I'd probably do vlogs at least once or a couple times a week, but so far I've been trying to stick more to daily vlogging and stuff so far. You know, quite a bit of YouTubers that I've seen tend to try to stick to either daily vlogging or every other day or something. And I'll try to primarily continue to do that. It's just that right now, I've for the end of this month and through the beginning of next month and through the beginning of February, the week of January 27th through February 2nd, right before Super Bowl Sunday 2019, I've kind of got a full schedule with work at BJ's. So you may have some times where may end up spacing it out a little bit more with stuff based on vlogging, but I'll try to continue to stick to maybe I'll try to continue to stick to mainly daily vlogging most of the time. If there's a point in time when I may end up spacing it out a little bit, it may be just because maybe I got this much going on where maybe I just don't completely have the complete level of energy, or maybe I'll just do some just talking vlogs, maybe like talking vlogs and talking videos, or maybe just talking about how some of my days have gone and stuff. But I will definitely do my best. I will definitely try my best. I will definitely do my best and try my best to continue, at least at this point, with doing daily vlogging and stuff, daily vlogging and daily videoing best I can whenever I can, best I can. And so far, well over 2 months into YouTubing and stuff, I've seemed to be sticking to very well to daily vlogging and daily videoing, daily video, daily video, daily video, daily video, daily videoing, and daily videoing and stuff. But probably kind of let this cool for at least a couple more minutes. Yeah, let this cool for maybe at least a couple more minutes before we try and maybe spread some of our pure maple cream and stuff all over the top. Ever since I had my furnace worked on a couple of days ago, earlier, a couple of days ago, a little earlier this week, the other day, just a couple of days ago. So far, it seems to be consistently running pretty good, and that's definitely going to be crucial all weekend long into early next week for sure, with how cold and frigid it's supposed to be here in Rochester, New York. So what I think I'll do is I'll take one of my steak knives right here and I'll try cutting into it and see what happens. Seems to be a pretty clean cut all in all. Just a little bit of goo, just a little bit of brownie goo, a little bit on here, but not too bad. So I think, how about we'll go ahead and we'll try spreading our pure maple cream all along the top. You know, it's now been a few minutes. It probably should sit a little bit longer, but we'll just go ahead and spread our pure maple cream and stuff, you know. I want to try to finish this vlog up before my thing comes up saying storage is running low and stuff, so yep, using it as a nice maple glaze for my microwaved brownies and stuff. Still have a good bit of pure maple cream left to maybe do like a toast experiment or something. So take a look at what it looks like now that I just spread the maple cream. Now that I just spread the maple cream all along top. Looks pretty good. Again, like a nice pure maple glaze and stuff, right? Now the last thing we'll do, we'll add just one more twist with my pure maple sugar sprinkles here. All right. All right. Well, I may have put a little bit more on than I should, so I think I should maybe shake this around a little bit. Kind of, yeah, spread it around a little bit. Spread it around, and you know, all right. last thing to do, maybe just cut just a small piece and quickly give it a taste and see what we think. So I'll take one of my other steak knives right here and cut a small piece. So take a fork, and I'll just take a fork and give it a try like that. That's pretty good. I like it with the maple cream and maple sugar sprinkles on top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the fridge overnight, and we'll cool it down and firm it up the rest of the way overnight. I'm going to set this down, and then after that I think we'll sign off for tonight. All right. So with that all said and that all done, I'm gonna end the vlog in the video. I'm gonna end the vlog in the video there. If you enjoyed this vlog and this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up for sure, and definitely leave a comment down below on what you think of doing the microwaving the microwaving brownie method and stuff, and whether you would ever give it a try, or whether you would give it a try and stuff and whatnot. And again, if you haven't already hit that subscribe button to my channel, I would like for you all to do so right now. I would like for you all to go down and hit that subscribe button like right now. At any rate, so chances are we do any vlogging tomorrow and the next couple of days, we'll probably have to show you a good bit of the snowstorm and stuff going on from looking out our window and stuff over here. But at any rate, that's all for vlogging for the video for right now. Till my next vlog, my next video, peace out. Till my next vlog, my next video, peace out. Till my next vlog, my next video, peace out.